Alright, we got our first piece taken off, second piece put on. This is more for long range hunters. It's going to give you front and back rotation, no side to side. So we're going to test this out as well with a 458 SOCOM to make sure it holds up. Just basically checking the lateral strength of it. Going to fire 3 shots off pretty quick. Make sure it holds up. This one sits straight on, no off to the side. Going hot. Zero issue. Still good. Come see us at rackinstick.com, Rackin Stick on Facebook, Instagram, and the YouTube. I'm going to do another video to show you exactly what these things are. Just want to do a stretch test real quick, show you how tough these things really are. Made by 3D Bow Hunter out of North Carolina. Great products. Mark really puts out some strong stuff. You'll have a good day.